What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele. It's on the song 1,000 Miles by Laroi, just came out. So I'm going to try and break this down and make it as simple as possible. So we're going to start off with the intro and the verse. Now the chorus for that is going to be E minor, C, and G. So we have the guitar picking in there. You guys can do that too. I'll teach you guys how to do that. So it goes. So what I'm doing here is playing just this, open, second track, open, back here. So you can stay in the shape of the E minor. So. And then C. So that's the intro. Now the verse, you guys can come up with a strum pattern. So what I'm doing here is just going, let's see, let me play this. 1, 2. So I'm going down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, So that is going to be the intro, verse. Now we're going to go into the pre-chorus or chorus. Now this one we're going to have other chords. So chords we're going to have is, I'll just do one strum. And then the A minor to D. Then it goes G, B minor, and E minor. Okay, so A minor, and then D, G, D minor, and E minor. It's going to be the first half of that pre-chorus or chorus. Then we'll go to the second half. It goes same thing, A minor to D, and then G, D minor, E minor to D, and then C, and then C minor. So that part again, told you it's gonna be a little, it's gonna be a lot to learn in this one. So A minor, then D, then G, B minor, E minor, D, C, and then C minor. Okay, so putting those two lines together, I'll also have that on the screen here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor to D, then G, B minor, E minor, back to A minor, D, then G, B minor, E minor, D, C, and then C minor. Okay, so that's what it is. Now, alright, so the bridge. Pretty easy. We're going to do E minor, D, and instead of C, we're going to do C major 7. You can do C if you want to, but we're going to do C major 7, and then G. So. I believe you do that like 4 times. And then that goes to the ending of the song. Hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Hopefully I taught everything that I learned from this song. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, leave a comment on what you guys want to learn, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.